Sure.
Yeah, execute it, Gopichan. So what it says, data too long for column billing street. So the billing street value what we have given is only 40. Correct? In the column length in database we have given as 40, varchar of 40. But here the data is too long for billing street. How can you see that?
I mean in the field mapping.
Correct. So here during creation, the billing street, if you see, it is given varchar of 40. All the columns are given as 40. Okay.
Correct.
Yes.
But the value coming is more
More
than
than that.
40
More than that.
characters.
Correct.
Correct. And so we are
Correct.
getting that error. So what we do in mapping, we use a function and trim that only to 40 characters. Okay.
So, okay.
So first 40 characters have to be placed into that field. So please open the map.
You can trim the field value also.
Yeah, we can do that. So in few cases in real time, they will ask only, I need to place 3 characters. So if you see the mapping sheet will be having for a particular field, it can be having only 3, start and end column length is only 3 characters. In that case, what I do, I'll trim that value and will pass it to the destination field. Getting it right?
Correct. Correct.
Yeah.
But normally, okay, fine. Got it. Yeah.
Create a new function.
So any further modification apart from the Boomi suggestion, then we can start using function. The middle layer. Correct.
Correct.
Okay.
So you have right character trim. Right character trim. You have there in string functions itself. You have opened now.
Right character.
Yes. Second one.
Yeah.
Second one. That is left
Okay.
character trim. Go for right character trim. And fixed to length as 40.
Okay.
Fixed to length.
Good. 40.
Okay. So in this way, we are fixing the length to 40. Click on OK. Yeah. So give the billing street original string.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Take this billing street from here. Billing street. Yeah.
Shanti, say an example.
It's not taking.
Give it properly. Give it not fixed to length. You have to give it to original string. Click on that. Click on that. On fixed to length. Not over there. Fixed to length. Yeah. Now drag it back. You've seen one symbol, right? Just now. Yeah. Not that. Go. Yeah. Now click on that. Drag. Correct. Give it properly to
Taking
original
me
stream.
to
It'll take place it to original stream.
we are giving only
Hmm.
okay. So this result to build a state.
Yeah.
Shanti, can I ask one question?
Yeah, sure. Kamlesh, before to that, 1 second. And repeat the same process to description, shipping street also. Repeat the same process for shipping street
Description
and shipping street. Here you can use Control
shipping
F.
state. Okay.
Here you can use Control F and you can search for it. Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
Kamlesh.
Yeah.
Please go ahead.
Shanti, same example. Now I am having an employee ID alphanumeric in Salesforce. Okay.
Okay.
And I want to send to my destination system only the numerical digit, not with the alphanumerical.
Okay.
So how can I replace the alpha and then when Salesforce sends SuccessFactors sends the information employee data, employee ID also coming along with that. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
When I generate in SuccessFactors hired employee, we use alphanumeric. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Shanti, shipping state. Another field. What is it?
Description. Yeah, only three of them.
Only description.
Three of them, yes. Description, shipping street, and the shipping ID are done, right?
Okay.
Billing ID.
Yeah. Only
Now,
description
yeah,
only.
yeah, execute it. Yes,
Okay. I
Kamlesh.
am doing.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, Shanti. So
Yeah.
now SAP cannot deal alphanumeric employee ID. It only
Okay.
deals a numerical employee ID. So
Okay.
can I use some function here to remove the alpha? Possible?
So here what we normally go for scripting. So just you say that you'll find if you find the alphabet you have to remove that. We normally go for scripting in that case.
The
And
scripting also can be will the scripting also can be done based on validation and do the scripting?
correct, yes. Based on the like if you get a character, say A to Z, you'll be defining that before only, and then if you find that value, you have to remove that. Okay.
Okay. No,
Yeah.
no. When I am having three different numerical range. A 1 2 3 4 5 6, B 1 2 3 4 5 6, and C 1 2 3 4 5 6.
Okay.
Okay. And I want to validate it if it is from a particular location. I want to remove the A 1 2 3 4 5 6 into 1 2 3 4.
Okay.
If location B, I want to do it. If location say, can I do that in scripting?
You have to create a map function in that case. So this involves
Okay,
number of functions, right?
correct.
For starting, you need to check a condition.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
Okay.
In that case, I'll take a map function and I execute 2 to 3 functions in the same as scripting. So if this exists, what I have to do, what my output value will be. So in that is like that, I'll create a map function and give the values.
You can put the validation here, the map
Yeah.
function, and
Yeah.
then you do the scripting to remove the alpha. Correct.
Correct. Correct. Map function here in this sense. Okay,
Route
duplicate the
map.
entry for key primary. So close this and
Mhm.
close this and open the map once. And you can remove the mapping to HF underscore IT. Just try removing that. Because it is because we are having multiple IDs here. We are getting this issue.
From
ID
from
map.
ID to
You can see where it is mapped to. Click on this drop down blue triangle.
And this red
Yeah,
registration.
yeah, correct. So from there we drag it back. That is removing the mapping. Not like that.
Okay.
To drag it back, click on that field, SF underscore ID, SF underscore ID.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, now drag it back. You should see that kind of symbol.
Okay.
Drag it back. Okay.
Okay.
Now execute it. Executed, right?
Yeah. No, the test execution ended message. SFID does not have a default value.
Okay. So it is, since it is a primary key and we need to have a value, since you are having duplicate values, we are finding this issue. Duplicate SF underscore ID values you are having in your Salesforce.